Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to create 5 different type of loans. First, loan against property, that is for 10 years. BL, business loan. PL, personal loan. Payday loan or Perday loan, and personal loan short term. When we create loan, first we need to understand creation of product scheme, which is available under master setup. I'm going to explain one product scheme, and you can modify the configuration for other product schemes. Scheme name is defined, loan type is defined here, ROI in tenure 24% yearly, 10 years means 120 months, reducing, that is internal rate of return standard. In case of flat, you can select interest with principal. Collection interval 1 means collection is monthly. If you keep it 2, it means alternate month. Amount, no need to configure here. Penalty 2% monthly. We can also keep the fixed penalty. Then once this configuration is done, then click save, close, again search that, and then after that configure the ledger for deductions. I have configured processing fee 3% taxable. So you can select here processing fee, you mention here 3% and taxable. In case you want to keep fixed fee like 12,000, then you can select here number, and whether you want to apply tax for that specific, you can decide whether tax is applicable or no. When you configure SGST CGST, then select that specific ledger and keep 9%, and tax is not applicable on tax, so tax will be applicable on other fees. Just simply no need to update or save again, it will be saved when you configure the ledger config. Similarly, you can create other BL, PL and PL short term, but the variation is in payday loan, so that is slightly different. In case of payday, you can configure payday, select personal, ROI as per your requirement. This is just for testing purpose, and very important that you want to create one installment for payday, so you'll have to use installment by end date. Okay, now there is one more configuration where installment will be for 3 months, 2 months only interest and last month interest with principal. For that, you'll have to select the product scheme as first interest then principal, this one, whereas for payday we have selected flat interest. Okay, so once these configurations are done correctly, then search profile, click loan, select the product scheme. In case of property, it will show property details. In case of vehicle, it will show vehicle details. For personal loans, it will not ask any information. Amount I have already configured here. We can also take here configure manually to see how the configurations are done. You can select disbursement date, let's say pardon me, 1st Jan and first installment 10th Feb. So here this shows pre-EMI, that is this much for 10 days, because our installment is starting from 10th actually. So from 1st Jan till 10th Jan for 10 days, this is the pre-EMI. We'll select this amount and we will add here as interest income and simply enter that amount. Tax applicable on that. The tax is not applicable on interest, so I just simply click add.
Pardon me.